Although I will say,
microsite, which is ravepubs.com/ISC. So this has been the busiest ISC. Hey everyone, Steph Beckett here at ISC 2025 here at the Visionary Solutions stand. I'm joined by Jordan Christoff. First of all, how are you?
Doing well, thank you.
And we are talking about something that is a pretty new announcement. So let's kind of start high level here. We are talking about something called it's Extreme Networks. Is that what it is? And
Correct,
it's called Fabric Attached. Do you want to explain to the people who are watching who might not be familiar with what that is a little bit about it?
Sure. The simplest way to think about Fabric Attach is a way for devices to tell the network what they need.
Okay.
So basically the device kind of wakes up and says, hey, I belong to this group, and so you should do whatever you need to do to put me on the right, essentially subnet, VLAN, and the right service ID. And that allows the packets to find their way through the network using a thing called shortest path bridging. And that's kind of a replacement for spanning tree protocol. But the most important thing about it is it allows your packets to flow to where they're supposed to go without you having to do a lot of configuration, or sometimes any.
Okay, so we're saving a lot of time here.
Yeah.
Okay, so why is this relevant in terms of AV over IP deployment?
Sure. So there's a lot of different kinds of AV over IP devices, audio only, audio and video. And so this allows the network to automatically put things into the right grouping. So let's say you had network audio like Dante or AES67, that could find its way onto the right set of network segments, and then your video could find its way on there and your control. So
very cool. So where Visionary comes in is it is integrated Fabric Attach into its 5 packet AV matrix endpoints. So want to talk a little bit about that?
Sure, yeah. So we've, as part of our LLDP stack, which helps people do neighborhood information and things like that, we've added Fabric Attach capability to that, so our endpoints can automatically put themselves on the right network segment and work as sort of a good network citizen with Extreme Networks Fabric Attach.
So this is kind of a perfect example of the AV-IT convergence in a way, because this is Fabric Attach is typically sending something over the network, something that IT people are typically trusted with. But this is now becoming much more of an AV thing. You want to talk a little bit about what that says about the greater industry?
Sure, it's really interesting for me. I've been working on convergence since 1998. And so it's great to see that these things are finally happening, and it's a way for the AV industry to take advantage of the huge scale of IT, network switching, and that expertise. And as organizations grow and bring more things together, having the AV really part of the IT universe, as it's inevitable, but it's also a good thing, as long as we kind of retain the sort of special knowledge of things that are related to AV.
So we're kind of just using what we already had and expanding that and using it in an IT space.
Yeah, it's really just a better and easier way of moving the audio, video, and data around.
Yeah.
Rather than special cabling or whatever, we can take advantage of existing or new infrastructure that's part of a bigger world.
So when we were talking before this, you were saying that a lot of people are probably wondering how do I even get into this? Where do I even start? What would you tell them?
Well, I think, first off, educate yourself, get out there and look around. Extreme has some publications on it. We have a white paper, and, maybe just talk to an integration partner or a manufacturer partner that you trust, and, we're always happy to answer questions about it.
Well, last question for you, and it's super easy. Where can people find more information if they have any questions?
Visionary-AV.com is our website, or you can call us up, or you can track down Extreme Networks online.
Very cool. Jordan, I appreciate your time. Thanks so much for explaining this to me. This is really exciting. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
All right. We'll see you next time. And don't forget to go to ravepubs.com/ISC 2025 for all your ISC coverage. We'll see you next time.